comments and emails on one of the world's biggest platform tutorial too. Based on outcome of those, I am choosing today's topic. Equals and a high school contract. How does it work? I will go through all the fine points and explain each and everything bit by bit in detail. Let's start now. What each contract between equals and high score? First contract is if two objects are equal by equals method, then hash score must be same. Second, two different object may have same as code. So I'll be override as code when you override equals. Not doing so will prevent from functioning properly. In a all has based collection, like, has it has my pre-map. To understand it properly, let's go through some sample exercises. I have created here to class it, employee, and second equals and a high school contact test. Java having main method. In employee.java class have three property. First is employee ID, after that name and phone number. I have created segregator of these three properties, you can see here. After that, we added a constructor having three parameters, employee ID, name and phone number. In main class, within main method. So here is some interruption. Let me minimize this. So in main class, I have created two instances of employee class with same value as employee ID as 1, name as Carrie, and phone number 99103111851. After that, I have printed out employee1 that equals employee2. After that, I created one map. Key as employee and value additional parameter. And I have put employee1 as a key and Carrie as value. And second object I have put employee2 as a key and cartridge value. And here, Willow, I have printed out size of the map. Let's run and see what happens. Here, we can see result is showing false, and size S2. Because default implementation from object class equals comparing reference, not content. That's why we are just returning calls when we are comparing employee1 with reference object applied to. And here, when we are putting these two object in hasmap, it is inserting both the object so what we can do in employee.java class, we go and override equals method. A moment. I have just copied and now to save the time, I am uncommenting this portion. Let me save it. Again, let me run this plus. Here, this line where we have Compare to object. We can see it is returning as true, because we have overridden equals method. So here, now it is comparing content not reference. So by content, both the object are same, so it is returning true. When we are putting in map, even though keys are equal by equals method, but one has code method is getting call on both the keys, it is returning different values. And it is taking implementation from object class default implementation. So to make it work proper, we need to override as code as well. So here, I'm going to uncomment as code method just to save time. I've already written this code. Uncommented, now saving. And again going to run this main class. Here, see, because we have overridden equals method, so it is comparing here by content, so it is returning value as true. And when we are putting employee 1 and employee 2 in map collection, so as code method is being called on the key employee 1. And because both the objects are equal by equal method, so high score is also returning same. So here we can see after inserting our storing first object in HasMap, when we are trying to insert a second object with same key, it is discarded. So here, we can see if we are overriding equal then has for each also mandatory to have overridden. So please keep on writing your comments and following me on AFB and Twitter.